Yeah, hi friends, welcome to our channel इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रोडक्ट्स रिव्यू। सो टुडे आज हम रिव्यू करने जा रहे हैं दो कंपनी के बल्ब्स। एक है पैंकर लाइक पैनासोनिक एलईडी बल्ब्स 40 वाट बल्ब, एंड सेकंड वन वी हैव इज़ विहान 40 वाट ऑक्सा इको एलईडी हैमर बल्ब। सो कुछ इस तरह की पैकिंग में आते हैं ये दोनों बल्ब्स। कुछ इस तरह की पैकिंग में आते हैं ये दोनों कंपनीज के बल्ब, पैनासोनिक एलईडीज़ के एंड विहान एलईडीज़ के। सो गाइज लेट्स रिव्यूज दिस बल्ब्स वन बाय वन, लेट्स सी which one is the better one to buy, which one is like money worthy to buy in these two bulbs. Let's see. Let's unbox first of all Panasonic bulb. So in this packaging it comes in 45 Panasonic 40 watt bulb, Kinglo Hyper LED bulb, surge protection up to 3.5 kV. It can have it like hold temperature up to 150 degrees Celsius, cool day, 4000 lumens, so life is like 25,000 burning hours. So कुछ इस तरह की पैकिंग में आता है। Next I will show you so energy saving meter. They have given some points over that, like up to 85% energy saving this bulb can do compared to CFL 52 watt and like 230 like watt like glow sign like bulbs, which we call like simple bulbs. So and comparing to so they have given the lifespan as well in this bulb. They have like LED lifespan is like more than CFL than GLS bulbs. So wide range, they can operate up to 100 volt to 300 volts. So these are the parameters they have given. B22 cap direct replacement to index, and this bulb comes with like a 1-year warranty. They have given some another specification as well, like anti-glare like diffuser, excellent CRI, long life, eco-friendly. These bulbs are these bulbs are like zero maintenance, no UV and IR radiations these bulbs throw. So no mercury, for indoor use only they have given. So this type of packaging it comes in. So बात कर ले इनकी MRP की 1075 with MRP. So in the market you can get by like 40% off in the usually in the range of like 500 to 600 bulb, 500 to 600 range. So if you want to purchase you can come to like Kundan Sethi Electrical and Hardware store. So all the bulb varieties are available, and we have like manufactured by Dixon Technologies India Limited. This company is in like UP India. They have given the address Gautam Buddha Nagar UP 201305, and this is like marketed by Panasonic Life Solutions India Private Limited company. So usually all the companies are like all the big companies are not manufacturing their bulbs. They have their vendors and they manufacture by the third party. So usually all the companies are doing electrical companies are doing like this type of work only. So marketed by, they are like just marketing. It's showing like marketed by Panasonic Life Solutions India Private Limited. So this is the address of the company. So let's unbox this Panasonic LED bulb. So I'm just unboxing. So in these shapes these bulbs came in, and they have the logo of Panasonic as well. It's the QR code as well been given over here. They have given some specification as well, like 40 watt cool day light. This is the company code 220 volt to 240 volt. It can operate 4000 lumens and made in India brand. PF factor is like less than 0.9 and 155 milliampere the load it takes. So this type of packaging it comes in. Let's unbox. Now I will show you the light as well of this bulb as well. How much the light this bulb like is giving out. So guys, you can touch so you can check this one is the capacity of this bulb. If I am just switching off the, so it's enough for one room to have this bulb. So now let's unbox Vihan Oxa LED bulb. Give me 1 second. I'm just putting about this bulb here. So let's unbox Vihan 40 watt Oxa LED hammer bulb. So it comes in this type of packaging. They have given some long life up to 35 burning hours. They have provided such shield up to 4 kV and extensive high lumens. This bulbs gives. Then they have given some specifications over here as well. Oxa Eco LED bulb. Item code they have given. Like MRP is 800 and usually by like 40% off you can have it like 400 to 500 range, 400 to 50 range. So this is also like marketed by Vihan Electric private limited company. They have their office in Maharashtra, in Palghar, Maharashtra. They have office, and these bulbs are like manufactured by KGN Lights Private Limited. This is the address they have: Vasai East, Palghar, 401208. So let's unbox this bulb as well. Let's see how it looks like. So this is the shape of the bulb we have of Vihan. It's given over here the Vihan stamp as well, Vihan electric stamp as well. So these are the specifications. So let me check this bulb light as well, how much the light it gives out. So this is also glowing well. This bulb is also glowing well. So you can see light, high light has been given by both the bulbs. So let's compare wise. Let's see. So in this you can see like Panasonic bulbs are they have given a small cap over the bulb, but Vihan they have given a larger cap in this. So you can clearly see there is a gap is there. So in the so they have, and body part I will say Vihan is like is a bigger bulb than Panasonic. You can clearly see this is a big one. Panasonic is like Vihan bulb is the bigger one. So guys, these were the two bulbs. I will show the lights again to you. How much light they are. So these bulbs are giving. This is the anchor by Panasonic bulb. How much? So guys, you can comment, like and share, and in the comment you can tell him which company bulb so light is more. So and you can I am showing like Vihan electric bulb light as well to you. So guys, you can comment in the comment section. You can tell us which bulb is the better one to buy, whether like Panasonic LED bulb or whether Vihan electric bulb 40 watt bulb. So which one will you be interested to buy? So guys, this was all about like a session on two companies electric bulb, 40 watt electric bulbs. So do like, share our channel and comment our channel and subscribe to our channel for more videos on electrical products review. So bye, have a nice day. Jai Hind, bye.